All right, last up, as always, we got the recipe of the day. Today's recipe is fantabulous. We've got a high protein s'mores brownie skillet, over 50 grams of protein. There's a theme here, guys. We want the high protein, we want to make sure it's calorically responsible, and we want to make sure it's delicious. If it ain't delicious, I ain't eating it. So, what do we need for this wonderful recipe? Well, you do not need a fire outside to roast the marshmallows on, but you do need a small skillet, of course, and you also need an oven. So, here we go. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna start with some protein powder in a mixing bowl, okay? Last we made this, I used a chocolate coconut collagen fuel from Primal Kitchen. Use whatever you want, get some protein in there. That's a tasty one though. We're gonna use 2 scoops of the Primal because the scoops are small. I dropped my remote. All right, we're adding a quarter cup of almond flour. We're adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We're adding 1 Truvia packet. That's my non-nutritive sweetener of choice. Use what you like, kid. We're adding 2 tablespoons of a sugar-free maple syrup. We've been talking about a lot. Wholesome yum, great ingredients and delicious. This is made primarily with monk fruit as a sweetener. We love baking with it. It's good. We're gonna add half a gram cracker crumbled, a quarter cup of mini marshmallows, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and now we're gonna top it off with a quarter cup of almond milk. Optional add-in if you're feeling nutritionally frisky. A tablespoon of natural peanut butter goes wonderful in this recipe. If you have a few extra calories to spare, it really helps with the texture as well. I love it. Now you're gonna mix it all up and you're gonna know when it's ready when it kind of looks like a brownie mix. Pour the beautiful mix into the skillet. Good luck not dipping your fingers into it like I do and tasting it like a caveman. Let it bake for about 15 minutes. And once you pop this out, guys, sprinkle that other half of the graham cracker on it. Add in a few more mini marshmallows, and if you are so inclined, sprinkle some chocolate chips on there as well. This will be amazing. You will love this. You will want to eat it all the time. You will not feel guilty about eating s'mores, and you may not even want to share this one with anyone. That's how good it is.